First, I want to say that I didn't have any severe side effects, and even to this day, I have not had any. After my first shot, the only thing that I experienced was fatigue and a sore arm. After my second shot, I had nothing that was obvious to me. And since then, it's been 2 months now, I've not had any symptoms that had me thinking, oh my gosh. I would encourage others, make an informed choice. I'm not gonna say, go get the vaccination, but what I will say is don't stay away from the vaccination based on conspiracy theories or based on assumptions or things that you're reading on social media. Get educated. Get informed. There are a lot of platforms out there that are providing information for community so that community can be informed. Make an informed, make a wise, make a prayerful decision as to what is in the best interest of your temple. We only get one, so we need to do everything that we can to take care of ourselves. I know that part of the hindrance is a lack of trust of the medical system, and there's good reason why we have a lack of trust for the medical system. And this, however, one of the things that I will say is that if you're looking at really where the numbers are as to who is taking advantage of this vaccination, it's communities that are not of color, it's communities of high economic status, and if they're feeling comfortable in taking this shot, I would really encourage you to take that into consideration as well, because I know that part of the concern is that the Black and brown community were going to be used as guinea pigs, start with us, but that has not been the case. And in fact, it's been quite the opposite, that the primary areas in where the vaccination has been concentrated has left us out. So please take that into consideration, make an informed decision, pray about it, and step out in faith.